TradePex has delivered a lead-free system that's lightning fast to install. The quick and easy 3-step PEX lightning system has arrived. All you need is the Milwaukee Expansion tool and you're set. First step, push the expansion ring over your PEX A pipe until it hits the lip. The PEX ring has been designed with a stopper so the ring won't slide down the pipe. Step 2, expand the pipe using the Milwaukee Expansion tool. 5 to 8 expansions are all you need to do the job for 16mm pipe, fittings, joiners, adapters, T's and elbows. The number of expansions may vary depending on the ambient temperature. Third and final step, push your PEX fitting in as far as it will comfortably go. Hold in place for about 3 to 5 seconds for a 5 expansion joint or 8 seconds for more expansions. It's best to allow 30 minutes after your last fitting before your pressure test. We stand by TradePex Lightning's durability and resilience, offering 25 years system warranty. Here are those 3 steps again in real time. Tools down. Your job's done with time to spare. Save up to 30% installation time with TradePex Lightning System. Move on at lightning speed with TradePex. For more information, speak to your local TradeLink rep.